Welcome back, everyone. The digital realm is now a battleground. Cyber attacks are a daily reality, targeting everyone. The threat is real and growing fast. Data breaches expose sensitive information. Ransomware attacks cripple businesses. The digital transformation has revolutionized our lives, connecting us in unprecedented ways. But this interconnectedness comes at a price. Our increasing reliance on technology has created a vast attack surface for cybercriminals to exploit. Every connected device, from smartphones to critical infrastructure, represents a potential entry point for attackers. As we generate and store more data online, the stakes rise exponentially. Data has become the lifeblood of the digital economy, making it a prime target for cybercriminals seeking financial gain, espionage, or disruption. Cybersecurity is no longer just an IT issue. It's a business imperative and a societal concern. Protecting our digital assets is paramount to safeguarding our privacy, security, and economic well-being. Cybersecurity is a dynamic field requiring a diverse skill set. Technical proficiency is essential, but soft skills are equally important. Cybersecurity professionals need to be adaptable, analytical, and able to communicate complex technical concepts to diverse audiences. A strong foundation in computer science and networking is crucial. Understanding operating systems, firewalls, intrusion detection systems, and other security tools is essential. Proficiency in programming languages like Python and scripting languages like Bash is highly valuable for automating tasks and developing security solutions. Equally important are analytical and problem-solving skills. Cybersecurity professionals need to be able to think like attackers, anticipating threats and identifying vulnerabilities. They must be able to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and respond swiftly to incidents. Section 4. Navigating the cybersecurity career landscape. The cybersecurity field offers a wide range of career paths to suit diverse interests and skill sets. From security analysts to ethical hackers, the demand for skilled professionals continues to grow. Security analysts are on the front lines, monitoring networks for suspicious activity, investigating security breaches, and implementing security measures. Penetration testers, also known as ethical hackers, use their skills to simulate attacks, identify vulnerabilities, and help organizations strengthen their defenses. Security engineers design, implement, and maintain security systems and protocols. Incident responders are called upon to manage and mitigate the impact of security breaches. Security architects design and build comprehensive security frameworks for organizations. Section 5. Charting your course in cybersecurity. Breaking into the cybersecurity field requires dedication, continuous learning, and a passion for technology. Start by building a strong foundation in computer science and networking. Online courses, boot camps, and certifications can provide valuable knowledge and skills. Gain practical experience through internships, personal projects, or volunteering to secure networks for nonprofit organizations. Networking with cybersecurity professionals through online communities and industry events can provide insights and opportunities. The cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving, so continuous learning is essential. Stay updated on the latest threats, vulnerabilities, and security technologies by reading industry publications, attending conferences, and pursuing advanced certifications. The future of cybersecurity is bright, with promising career prospects for those willing to embrace the challenge. Don't miss out on the latest in cybersecurity. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Let's go!